Is going to see ice, West Texas.
Really?
Maybe even portions of North Texas, maybe some snow, Wichita Falls, Lubbock. Not us.
Ooh.
Not us, not us. Okay, calm down, everybody. Calm down. Okay, so high pressure is over Texas right now, leading to some cloud or clear skies, but we are starting to see cloud coverage increasing across South Texas as our onshore flow is returning. So we're going to see a little bit more cloud coverage today, especially by this afternoon. We've got an area of low pressure. This is the one we're watching. That might bring some snow and some icy weather to portions of Texas, but that's going to all stay well to our north. What this is going to do is it's going to drop south and it's going to tap into that Gulf moisture. It is going to bring us a chance of rain. But first, we're just going to be really mild. So notice there was a stationary front with that system. Essentially what's going to happen is our temperatures are not going to fall very much overnight. This should say Monday and Tuesday, but our temperatures are just briefly going to fall. Then that warm front's going to move through and we're going to slowly see temperatures warming a bit as we head into tomorrow morning. So we're actually going to be fairly mild tomorrow, but then look what happens tomorrow afternoon. Ooh, dropping temperatures. That's right. We do have a cold front to talk about. So here's the timing of that cold front. 10 a.m. to noon is when it's going to start to approach the coastal bend. Live Oak County, B County, you actually have the best chance of rain along this front. We'll see it moving through the brush country between noon and 2 p.m. and then along the coast 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., which is the timing included for Corpus Christi. The main impacts, we are actually going to get some rain out of this. Rainfall totals will vary though. Well, you may see a trace with some areas seeing up to an inch or so. Wind will be out of the northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour, some gusts 50 miles per hour, and then we'll see high fire danger behind the front, even with some rain in the forecast. So temperatures falling from 77 there Tuesday afternoon down to 40 by Wednesday morning. We'll have afternoon highs on Wednesday around 68 degrees. So here's again everything you need to know with this front. Numerous showers Tuesday morning. The strongest wind will be behind the front, and then we are going to see that 10-degree or so temperature difference as we look ahead between Tuesday and Wednesday, but it's going to be a much colder start on Wednesday. Breaking it down on Futurecast, you will see cloud coverage increasing today. This is noon, 65 degrees, 67 in Corpus Christi at lunchtime. Wind fairly breezy out of the east, 20 miles per hour. We're going to be breezy today. We're going to be really windy tomorrow. So cloud coverage again increasing. So temperatures likely staying in the 60s due to that cloud coverage. We see our opportunity for rainfall increasing overnight into Tuesday morning. We'll see scattered showers to numerous showers, mostly to our north, areas to the south. So this is going to be kind of Hebbronville, Falfurrias into Kennedy County, Rivera, Kingsville. You're likely going to see the least amount of rain out of this, but I want to point out behind the front we get a brief westerly wind but sustained 23 miles per hour. The front moves through. There may be some thunderstorms along the front as it moves through. Any risk of severe weather is going to stay off to our east, closer to Houston, Victoria Crossroads region. We see some strong winds behind the front. They're out of the northwest. That northwest wind is what's going to increase our fire danger. So essentially, the most rain to the north, numerous, possibly an inch of rain is likely for those northern counties. Scattered showers closer to a quarter of an inch through Corpus Christi, Orange Grove, Mathis, and then further to the south, hundredths of an inch of rain is what we're talking about. So I mentioned that relative humidity. We're going to be really humid Tuesday morning, really dry Tuesday afternoon. So that's why that fire danger is in place. High fire danger due to our dry vegetation, but our strong winds, they actually have a fire weather watch in place for Tuesday afternoon. So keep that in mind. 77 to 67 there Tuesday into Wednesday. Thursday we're down to 63. Really nice though with low humidity there Thursday. More clouds though on Friday, turning muggy as we head into next weekend.